Hello everyone, today I am going to show Top 5 Best Portable Washing Machines and Dryer, 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so let's get started the video. Number 5. Morus Zero Countertop Clothes Dryer. The Morus Zero Countertop Clothes Dryer is a compact and portable drying machine designed for use in small spaces. It is a countertop appliance that can fit in most kitchens, bathrooms, or closets, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs. This clothes dryer uses advanced technology to dry clothes quickly and efficiently without the need for a vent or external exhaust. It employs a vacuum dehydration system that removes moisture from the clothing, which is then collected in a detachable water tank. This process is gentle on clothes and helps to prevent damage from high heat or tumbling. The Morus Zero Countertop Clothes Dryer can hold up to 2.2 pounds of clothing and has a variety of settings to customize the drying process. It offers 3 different drying modes: standard, gentle, and strong, depending on the type of fabric and the level of drying required. It also features a timer function that can be set for up to 3 hours. In addition, this dryer is easy to clean and maintain. The water tank and lint filter are both removable and washable, and the machine is designed to be energy efficient and eco-friendly, using only 400 watts of power. Overall, the Morus Zero Countertop Clothes Dryer is a convenient and effective solution for anyone who needs to dry clothes quickly and efficiently in a small space. Number 4. Water Spitir 3-in-1 Portable Washer and Dryer. The Water Spitir 3-in-1 Portable Washer and Dryer is a compact and versatile laundry machine that can wash, spin dry, and air dry clothes all in one unit. It is designed for use in small spaces, such as apartments, RVs, boats, and dorm rooms. This portable washer and dryer has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to move and store when not in use. It can hold up to 7.7 pounds of laundry and has a variety of settings to customize the washing and drying process. The washing cycle uses a pulsator to agitate the water and clean the clothes, while the spin dryer removes excess water from the clothes before they are air dried. The air drying function is designed to dry clothes quickly and efficiently without the need for an external vent or exhaust. The Water Spirit 3-in-1 Portable Washer and Dryer is easy to operate with its simple control panel and LED display. It also features a child lock function to prevent accidental operation by children. This portable washer and dryer is energy efficient and eco-friendly, using only 180 watts of power for the washing cycle and 120 watts for the spin drying and air drying functions. It also comes with a drain pump for easy water disposal and a built-in lint filter to keep the machine running smoothly. Overall, the Water Spirit 3-in-1 Portable Washer and Dryer is a convenient and efficient solution for anyone who needs to do laundry in a small space. Its compact and lightweight design, multiple functions, and easy operation. Number 3. Daewoo Wall-Mounted Mini Drum Washing Machine. The Daewoo Wall-Mounted Mini Drum Washing Machine is a compact and space-saving washing machine that can be mounted on the wall for maximum convenience. It is designed for use in small apartments, RVs, and other compact living spaces. This mini washing machine has a unique drum design that can hold up to 5.5 pounds of laundry at once. It uses a pulsator system to agitate the water and clean the clothes, while the drum spins in the opposite direction to prevent tangling and damage to the clothes. The Daewoo Wall-Mounted Mini drum washing machine has several washing programs to choose from, including quick wash, standard wash, and heavy wash, as well as options for water level and rinse cycles. It also has a delay start function that allows users to schedule a wash up to 24 hours in advance. This washing machine is energy efficient and eco-friendly, using only 150 watts of power for each wash cycle. Number 2, Costway Portable 7.7 pounds automatic laundry washing machine. Our washing machine will be your perfect assistant in your laundry time. This full automatic washing machine is really powerful, as it is equipped with 3 water levels and 8 programs to accommodate to your washing needs and providing you with the appropriate mode. With the help of 4-level temperature heating function, you can choose the right condition for your clothes, whether they are baby clothes or simple ones. Moreover, the cover lock and the child lock can both ensure your kids' safety by preventing them from putting their hands into the tub or mistakenly press the buttons. Even when you are sleeping or doing other things, the full automatic washer can still keep running by your need due to its 24H time delay function, and you only need to preset it. It will surely offer you great convenience for doing laundry. To prevent your family, especially your kids, from being hurt by stretching hands into the pump by accident, this laundry washer is equipped with a cover lock which can ensure that the... Number 1, Yirego Drumi Portable Non-Electric Washing Machine. Super quick wash, clean and spin dry your clothes in 10 minutes. Gentle wash. Use Drumi to replace hand washing undergarments, wool sweaters, and other delicates. No electric. Drumi doesn't use any electricity. No installation required. Great for camping or during a power outage. Compact, small and portable. Drumi fits seamlessly in any small space. Ideal for small apartments, tiny homes, and/or road trips. Hygiene. Separate and clean your laundry with your private little washer. Stay on top of your laundry pile with Yirego Drumi Portable Washer. Easy to use and maintain. Drumi's modular